Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into the fascinating world of coding languages, specifically looking at Ruby and an exciting project called TinyRuby. Now, if you're not familiar, Ruby is this elegant programming language known for its simplicity and productivity, but today we'll focus on a more lightweight version, TinyRuby. So what is TinyRuby exactly? Well, it's a compiler designed to cater to the needs of developers who want to write Ruby applications without the overhead that comes with the full Ruby interpreter. Imagine being able to strip down all the unnecessary parts while retaining the core functionalities you need. Sounds cool, right? Now there's something special about working with a project like TinyRuby. When you hear compiler, you might picture something complicated and intimidating. But TinyRuby aims to simplify the process, making it more approachable for newcomers. It's reflective of a broader trend in software development where simplicity and ease of use are prioritized. Let's think about this for a moment. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the intricacies of coding? Maybe you've thought about learning a new language, but were turned off by the complexities? Well, TinyRuby is like a breath of fresh air in that respect. It presents a clear and practical way to start coding in Ruby without diving headfirst into all the depths that come with the full version. Now, I want to throw a question your way. How do you think a simplified coding environment could change the way beginners interact with programming? You know, when you strip back the layers, it might just spark an interest in many who felt coding was for techies only. As we explore projects like TinyRuby, it's important to note that community collaboration plays a massive role. GitHub is a platform where developers come together, sharing ideas and improvements. TinyRuby isn't just a solo project. It thrives on the input from its users. This opens a door to learning opportunities. If you're a newbie, working with such projects can teach you valuable skills. And let's not forget about automation in coding environments. TinyRuby emphasizes scripting and ease of deployment, making it perfect for those day-to-day tasks that require minimal fuss. Picture this. You've got a small project, a bug fix, or maybe a new feature to add. TinyRuby lets you accomplish your goals without a hefty time commitment. As we move towards the end of our discussion today, let's reflect on what we've covered. We talked about TinyRuby being a simplified version of Ruby, focusing on accessibility for beginners, how community plays a role in its development, and the practical benefits it offers to developers. So, here's a thought to take with you. What if the next big breakthrough in tech comes from someone who gets a foothold through projects like TinyRuby? It's not just about the language itself, it's about opening doors for collaboration and innovation. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this dive into TinyRuby as intriguing as I did. Until next time, keep coding and stay curious.